The health and safety of educators remain a top priority for the Clark County Education Association. 8 News Now reporter Kristen Drummond shows us the request the teachers union is making during the next special session and what may happen if those requests are not met.
CCEA demands the governor as well as legislators protect CCSD staff and put certain protocols in place.
You have to have new legislation.
D'Amico Hopkins supports the teachers union fighting for educators' safety. The Watson Elementary School teacher wants personal protective equipment and workers' compensation for anyone who may get COVID while on the job.
I don't think that's too much to ask.
CCEA making it a focus now upon reopening schools. It's unknown when students will return to a classroom, but educators can come to campus, a concern for the union considering the numbers.
We have 229 cases right now out of 18,000 educators that have contracted the virus. 20% or 10% of those have been hospitalized, and that's been without being in the schools.
In a statement, the union addresses 2 major issues. The first involves safety, testing, and contact tracing. The union wants to require testing for all CCSD employees as well as ongoing testing throughout the year. The second includes employee protection and employer liability.
If there is no safety program in place, as I've spelled out, they should then have the right under tort law to sue their employer.
And if requests are not met,
we're going to weigh our options. We are not going to encourage or allow an educator to go back into these buildings if they're not safe.
when you say weigh your options, what are we talking about?
Everything's on the table.
Are we talking a strike possibly?
I'm not addressing that right now.
Waiting for legislation before taking any action. Kristen Drummond, 8 News Now.
By the way, the union's request coincides with a business liability bill that's going to be happening during this special session. Now, CCEA says it would make employers free from liability regarding COVID exposure if the business has been providing a robust safety, testing, and contact tracing program. The union wants to add that kind of language focusing on the school district.